Good day everyone, this is Teacher Nori. In this video, we are going to learn about conductors of heat and electricity. Conductors are materials that allow heat and electricity to pass through them. It can do so because these materials permit electrons or negatively charged particles of atoms to flow freely from particle to particle. Heat and electricity are forms of energy. Generally speaking, conductors are metals. Here are some examples of conductors of heat and electricity. We have silver, gold, copper, and steel. Here are some nonmetal conductors of heat and electricity. We have seawater, our body, lead of pencils, and air. This illustration shows us the increasing conducting ability of certain materials for conducting electricity. On the left side of the illustration, we have the insulators. On the middle part of it, we have the semiconductors. And on the right side, we have the conductors. Semiconductors are materials that can become good conductors of electricity under certain conditions. Insulators are materials that impede the flow of electricity, and conductors are materials that can let or permit the free flow of electrons from one particle to another. The best insulator that we have is rubber, which is on the leftmost side of this illustration, and the best conductor that we have is silver. Silver is quite expensive, that's why we seldom use it. Next to it is copper, which is the second best conductor that we have, and we use copper for most of our electrical needs because it's much cheaper. Insulators are materials that slow down or stop the free flow of electrons from molecule to molecule. If charge is transferred to an insulator at a given location, the excess charge will remain at the initial location of charge. Usually, conductors are enveloped by insulators to prevent the spread of energy to the surroundings. Insulators also serve as handles for moving conductors around. Here are some examples of insulators of electricity. We have rubber, glass, oil, diamond, and dry wood. Here are some examples of insulators of heat. We have plastic, rubber, paper, especially in large or thick piles of paper, wood, wool, any kind of fabric, and cork. For fabrics, the best ones to use would be denim or the ones we use for jeans. And that is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Until next time!